Okay, talk about commission. I wrote a note to myself because I just wanted to give you this idea because it's going to be on the test tomorrow, the word commission. So let me explain to you what it is, okay? Salespeople, people who earn their living by selling products, are often paid both a salary and a commission. So the money that they get, the company will pay them a base salary, and then they make a certain percentage of the amount that they sell, okay? So for instance, they may make a 10% commission. This varies from place to place, okay? Real estate or selling cars or car sales, okay? They say, okay, we're going to give you $15,000 a year, not a lot, right? $15,000 a year plus 10% commission, which means you get 10% of all the cars that you sell. Well, let's say that you sell $152,000 worth of cars, right? That means that you're going to get paid that $15,000. Remember, they told you that they were going to give you this, but you're also going to get 10% of this, okay? 10% of this is this multiplied by 0.10, or we might say, wait a minute, that's not what I want to do. Now I've messed everything up. We might want to say, this is 10% of what? Or no. What is, I'm sorry, I'm getting there. What is 10% of 152,000? If we wanted to figure out that amount. Do you see what I'm saying? Okay. This doesn't have a percent sign in it. Cross, multiply, divide. You understand the concept of commission?
Yes, sir.
Okay? When you get paid a certain percentage of the amount that you sell. The problem tomorrow is going to deal with that. That's why I wanted to make sure that you had that vocabulary. Okay? All right, so let's look at example number 4, because example number 4 is not talking about commission. Example number 4 is talking about the Runner's Shop anniversary sale. And running shoes are on sale at a 15% discount. Does that mean you only have to pay 15%? Okay. If Alonzo paid $35.70 for a pair of running shoes, what was the original price? How can I set this up? How can I set this up, Parker J? 3570 over X. So 3570 is 85%, right? That's how much you still had to pay. 85% of what number? Okay? So we just did, as James was trying to tell us a second ago, is over of equals percent over 100. $35.70 is 85% of the original price of what? Cross multiply 85x is equal to, when I multiply by 100, I move the decimal point 2 places. I don't know how many times.
42.
Really? Nice job, Bella. You've been on your game today, Bella. X equals $42. That was the original price. Questions about that? Yeah.
I just figured this out, and I think this is right.
So it's not a question.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
If like the X over 100 is just moving the
You mean
decimal.
percent over 100?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
100 is just makes the decimal move over 2 places.
That's correct.
So couldn't you just do like 0.85 times 3?
Write this as a decimal. Could you do that?
Like 0.85 times 3570.
No. Think about this, SK. If we wrote this as a decimal instead of a fraction, when you cross multiply, it's 0.85x is equal to 3570.
No, I think what I'm saying is, like, is there a way to write it without having to do the 2 fractions? People taught me this way, and I forgot.
There is a way. Is this not simple enough?
No, it's very simple.
Okay.
I think it's
And
not
I don't,
trying to make-
it's fine. You could say this. Here's the question. What, no, I'm sorry. You could say 3750 is, no time to finish it. I'll talk about it on the beginning of the next video.
Next